government workers, they like to bring their cars or something so that I will help them clean it up very well. You understand? So let me run along and see whether I can catch one or two of them. Alright.
Brother, remember you said you didn't want to make soup.
Never mind. Okay, very wonderful soup.
I will.
Eat your own, then bring my own to the workshop.
No problem.
Yeah. Good soup.
Take care.
Who's there? Landlord. Good morning, sir.
What is good about this money?
Let me get you a seat to sit down.
Just keep your seat. I am here for my money. Give me my money.
Landlord, please. I know I'm owing you, but I'm begging you in God's name. Bikonu, consider me. See, for the past 3 weeks I've been in this house. I've not even gone out. Okay, see my keke now. Look at the tire. Look at the glass. Everything has spoiled. Please, listen, I know I'm owing you. Let me just go and gather money and hustle, and I will bring the money to your house. Biko, let me repair my keke first. If I don't repair it, how will I pay you? I beg you.
Are you talking to me?
I'm talking to you now.
So all these stories you are telling me, they are all for me. That is, all these super stories. Listen, let me tell you. Ebe na akwaka wo na tipa buaja. Tipa ne buaja ke na akwaka. Yes! I am not here to listen to all these your stories. I am here for my money. I am giving you till ending of this very month. If you don't provide it, I'm going to come here, throw all your baggages out of this house and bring in people that are willing and ready to pay. The ending of this month is ending by next weekend. And I'll come here. You shall see my action.
I know I'm owing you, but shouting will not solve this.
Oh, I am now shouting?
No, as in shouting like if...
Mecca, I am now shouting.
No, if the way you're elevating it as if I know I'm owing you, I'll pay you. I'll bring the money to your house, I promise you.
Oh, I am shouting,
It's your house.
What you are seeing now is not even the original shouting. You are seeing the mini shouting. By the time I return next weekend, that is when you will see the original shouting. You will see the original shouting, Emeka. On my property, I am shouting, Emeka. On my money, I am shouting. No, we shall see.
You have the right to shout.
In time I return here, we shall see.
Landlord, please, now stop shouting. I know it's your house. Because no. How much is the house rent on 5,000 naira? This house, it doesn't suit me at all. My love, how are you? Let me come and sit down. Come and sit down. Let me get you and come down. You don't know what is happening. Every day trouble.
I see your landlord is at your neck again.
My neck? Ha. That man is on my head though. My legs, my hands, everywhere.
Just relax, okay? Everything will be fine. Have you eaten?
I'm not hungry.
My love, you just have to calm down, okay? Everything will be alright. See, my brother gave me some money to prepare soup, so I decided to stop over to know the kind of soup you would want to eat before going to the market. Yes.
The kind of soup I like?
Yes.
Oha soup won't be bad though.
Oha?
I like oha soup.
Okay. With fish or meat?
Fish.
Mangala fish or?
Any fish is fish. I don't have a choice. Thank you very much. You're going now? Eh. Okay now. Take care. Hey! Should I walk you off?
Don't worry.
Oh, landlord problem. Landlord wahala. Eh? Everyday trouble. How much is the house rent, sir? 5,000. Thank you.
Mama, can you hear Jizia? You know I have to return to the city today.
Nah, calm down. Eh? She will soon be here. I guess her mother must have sent her on an errand. She will come. Oh? She will come.
If you say so, I'll wait.
It is worth waiting. If you go to wife material.
Wife material.
Wife material.
So, which school did she attend?
She attended Umueze Community College. She's here to enter the university. Opatasia for secondary school.
Mama, the question anga like this girl.
Adam. Nene Hana. Mama. What kept you waiting? Eh? My son and I have been waiting for you.
I'm sorry, Mama. I wanted to finish pounding fufu for my mother before coming out.
Pounding what?
Fufu? Young woman is so up to pee, Baba.
Yes, Mama.
You could be a wife material.
Well, it's okay. Mama, I will be on my way.
You have not even discussed anything with them.
There's no problem. Once I get to the city, I will give you a call, eh? Please take care of yourself.
Oh, Guanam. Oh, you want to do any? Oh, Ijoma. Oh, if you go near.
Yes, Mama, I have seen
wife material.
Bye bye, eh?
Oh. Don't worry. Oh, he will call me once he gets to the city. Hey.
You girls should leave my house. Now! Get out!
What's all this rubbish? Rubbish! Kenneth, what is wrong with you? Why do you disrespect me so much so that you chase my friends away from this house?
This is a home. My house is a home, not a disco or a clubhouse.
And so what? We were just celebrating our 3 years of friendship on Instagram. I mean, what do you have against us having a little fun in this house?
I don't have anything against you.
So?
But if you want to party, you go to clubhouse and party, not in my house.
I don't blame you. I blame myself. You know why? I left my father's mansion to come and stay in your cubicle with you for a couple of days. What do? What did you do? You left me and you went to your God-forsaken village. What would you have had me do? Sit down? Be bored? No! I called my friends over just to have a little fun. You disrespect me so much, Kenneth. Even my father, Senator Oladapo, would never disrespect me in presence of people.
You're sick.
Really?
You're sick.
Really?
Can't you see you're sick?
Kenneth, you know what? I'm done here. I can no longer stand this kind of disrespect in this house. I'm done. How can you harass me like that? What else is he even talking about? This cubicle.
Titi Liar, do you know you're sick?
Goodness. He calls this a house. Compared to where I'm coming from, this is a big style. Rubbish. The next time you want to see me, you learn to respect me, alright? This is a big style compared to where I'm coming from. Rubbish.
This madness. This is crazy. Can you imagine smoking in my house?
Come on, take these things out of the car for me. I see you, Shikoto ma gbobi jelly. Oni warapa.
I apologize to her. What? I should go and do what? Apologize to who? To Titi Liar? For what? No, are you saying that I don't have a say on how my relationship should be? Or is a fellow going to come to control my relationship? I'm a man like him.
I know you're a man. I am not saying that you're not a man. But come on. For the sake of your life and reputation. See, Senator Oladipo might decide to give you public assault. And you know he can't do anything about it.
And that is the reason I should go and apologize to Titi Liar, right?
I think you should go and apologize to her because... Okay, if you want peace in your relationship, anyway, I saw that girl. The other girl I was telling you about.
Vera.
Yes?
You can be so mean in this life.
And why did you say so?
I went to Emeka's house yesterday.
Emeka, your boyfriend.
Vera, you need to see the way his landlord was shouting at him like a mad person. Talking to him like a piece of rag because he's owing him house rent. Talking... God.
Yeah.
You need to see the way the man was shouting like a mad person, telling the whole street that Emeka is owing him house rent. For what?
Yeah, sure. Poor Emeka. Anyways, you don't have to blame the landlords, okay? Because you know that sometimes the tenants can be so stupid.
So what are you saying? That my Emeka is stupid or what?
No. Far from it.
Please watch your mouth.
Come on.
I'm thinking of something.
And what could that be?
will it be a bad idea if I help Emeka?
Help him, like paying his house rent?
Far from that. I didn't mean to pay his house rent. I mean, help him with something, as in, just support him. That's what I mean.
Well, it's not a bad idea. Emeka is your boyfriend, and you both love each other so much. So I don't think it would be a bad idea if you assist him. Anyways, Chi, please don't interrupt me again. No? This book is becoming so interesting. Don't interrupt me.
You're back from the stream already.
Yes, Mama. I want to feed the big drum for you so you can have enough water in the house.
One more. No. Thank you. Oh, God will bless you for me.
Oh, Mama.
Oh, Mama. Ow! We go the more, no. Eh? Oh! Kenneth, what's your wrong way? Oh! Oh! Now you wait, oh, let me cook this beans, Ilya. Huh? You wait up here. Oh. Oh, you see, can you see your?
Ma, what's the problem? Have you eaten?
I've eaten.
Oh, then what's the problem? Let me know. Talk to me.
Brother, I need money. I need money. I want to buy my undies, sanitary pad, and some other things a woman needs. I need money.
How much are we talking about?
Let's say 10,000. I'll manage.
10 guinea. It's a 10 guinea. Do you think that money is easy? Or I got money from tree? Don't you understand the hard economic condition of the country? Please, don't even go where you're going to. There's no one. You got it all. You got it all. There were siblings, and I'm taking care of you because our parents are dead. Does not mean that you will kill me. It's not possible. What do you mean?
But what are you talking about? Is it my fault that since I finished school, I wasn't able to get job? Is it my fault? Yeah, I need money. Or do you want me to start following men up and down because of money? Is that what you want?
Follow men? You know, so I'm going to follow them. Try it. If I don't cut your 2 legs, man. Let me be there. And then we went and I have blow. Okay, what's the word? I understand you, but the truth is that does not mean I will not give you something. See, tomorrow in the morning before I leave, remind me I will give you 5,000 naira.
5 guinea.
I was 5 guinea. Oh my God! What to wait in now? Remind me I will give you 5,000 naira.
5,000 won't be enough.
No. So if we would go achi, because get your money. Get your money. Get even I go and go and spend the money.
5,000 is too small.
Okay, it's quality. Why is it not a car?
Madam. Oga Kenneth this gate since they knock. He say I open, but I say no. I dey fear.
Are you mad?
I'm not mad.
Are you mad?
I'm not mad.
Come on, go back to your duty post. And if you make the mistake of opening that gate for Kenneth, you stop working in his house today. Idiot. Nikobo kobo. Didn't you? Shh. What's wrong with this phone now? Why is it disturbing my phone? What? Kenneth, why are you bothering me? You better leave my ear. You're at the gate. Okay, you can rot there. Kenneth, if you want to be with me, then you need to learn how to treat me right. I won't settle for anything lesser than that. You're sorry. You are always sorry, Kenneth. You are always sorry, always apologizing, and then you go about doing the same thing again and again. I am tired. Kenneth, you just want people to feel that I'm taking undue advantage of my father's status in the society to misbehave. You're sorry, and then you go back doing the same thing again and again and again. When is this ever going to end? You're on your knees. Okay. Fine. I've heard. I'll come and see you at home. Not today, tomorrow. What's the rush? Oh, please, Kenneth. Chadori Agumijo. Just sorry. And then again. He never changes. All these Igbo people. Cook. I don't like cooking. I mean, look at my nails. I just made them yesterday. Oh, I don't like going to the kitchen.
So you mean we should continue to eat out? Come on, as a woman I want to settle down with for the rest of my life, you should be able to cook for me. Cook my food.
Babe, please, too early for this. You know, if it's about the money, I can foot the bill.
Did I tell you that money is my problem? I have the kitchen stocked with food. Go there and make food for us to eat.
Kenneth, I don't understand. I'm your girlfriend, not a cook. I don't like to cook. It's pressuring me.
Really?
Ah.
Are you serious? Ezioku. It's a problem. It's no problem.
Oh, ọmọ Igbo yìí gan pàápàá wà lẹ́ẹ̀pọ̀. Cook, wash, clean. Kí ni gbogbo rádaràda yìí gan pàápàá? Ṣé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ni pé mo fẹ́ ọmọ Igbo ni?
Uzoma. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
How are your parents?
Ma, they are fine. Mama, have you heard from Kenneth since he traveled to the city?
My daughter, I have not heard from him. Oh. He said he was going to call me once he gets to the city. But up till now, no call.
Mama, maybe he's busy with work. That's why.
I guess so. Well, I will buy credit and call him today.
Okay.
Let me know how he's doing.
Mama, I came to fetch water for you.
How? Thank you. But I don't need water. The one you fetched the other time you came, I've not finished using it. Once I'm about to run out of water, I will send a message across to you. Oh?
Okay. Let me just rush to the farm and help my mother out. I will check up on you in the evening when I come back.
Thank you. Oh, bye-bye. Oh, my dear. Mana ezigbo nwa. Ezigbo nwata. Hi. Kenneth, everything is not fine. The last time you came, we discussed about something, Aubrey. And you said that you were going to call me. Up till now, I have been expecting that call or that abia. Is it that you don't want to get married or what? Eh? I want grandchildren, no. Okay. I will be expecting you. Oh, Ngwano, bye-bye.
My love.
My love.
Close your eyes.
Why?
Just close your eyes. I have a surprise for you.
My love, you know I don't like surprises.
Do you want me to tie your eyes?
Okay, fine. I'll close my eyes.
Okay.
My eyes are closed.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Should I open them?
No, wait.
What is it? Should I open my eyes?
Open.
Tram. Hello, this is money. Who gave you all this money? Hope you've not started stealing from your brother.
Can you just stop? I did not steal from my brother. The thing is, I told my brother that I needed some money to attend to my personal needs. And he gave it to me.
All this money?
Yes. So, I'm giving it to you.
Are you serious?
Of course. Take.
This is 5,000 naira.
Hey. Just manage it, okay?
I love you so much. Come on, you see why I say you're always the best. Hey, at least now I can use this money and start repairing my keke. At least it will go a long way for me. Then I'll make money and pay my landlord.
Better, please. Because I don't like the way that man is embarrassing you.
Thank you very, very much.
Stop thanking me.
My African queen. But you see, my love, in as much as you're doing this for me, I think it's not right. Yes, see, I'm your boyfriend. And I'm supposed to be the one to be giving you money and not the other way around.
Shh, don't say that. Listen. You're my boyfriend, yes, but I don't see anything wrong in me giving you money. Because you don't have.
Yes.
If you were to be in my shoes, I bet you would do the same.
That's true. You're very smart.
Have you eaten?
Come on, I'm not hungry. Come here. Come here. I missed you more.
Franco, what are you doing here?
You, what are you doing here?
I want to buy plantain and beans.
You want to buy beans and plantain?
Yes.
Wait, oh. So if single guys like us are going outside to eat, you that have a girlfriend. Yeah? What about Titilayo?
You don't know that Titilayo will never go to the kitchen to do anything. Do you understand me? Don't worry, let me pick up.
Are you telling me that?
Yeah. She doesn't cook. How much is this?
I want
150. I want. Hello, Mama. Good afternoon. Again, I'm not in your motor, but I'm home now.
Okay, my son. That means you didn't hear what I was saying. I was talking about you settling down. You are my only son. My only hope. You need someone who will continue to answer our family's name. You know your father is late. Moreover, you're not getting any younger.
Mama, I know. I have someone here. It's just that I have not told her about marriage.
Really?
Yes.
That's good though. What is her name?
Mama, her name is Titilaya.
Titigini?
Titilaya.
Where is she from?
She's Yoruba. She's a graduate and her father is a senator.
Bia, Kenneth. Listen very carefully, my son. It will be over my dead body that you will marry a girl that is not from our tribe. Don't you know you are an only son? Kenneth, you must marry a girl who knows our culture and tradition.
Mama, she's a nice person. You will like her.
Oh, my love, see money. Eh? Hi.
Hey,
Wow.
See 500 naira. Hey,
I'm so happy for
when
you.
I arrived the park last week. That's our park man, that big nature man. He said, Emeka, hey, come here. Here's your ticket. I said, hey, focus. I know you are Jabota. Hey, let me see what you. And when I see, all those people are walking. They don't even have this kind of money I have now. And when I came in, they were like, hey, fine boy, I want to enter your keke. I say, please, drop.
Please, I don't like that one. I don't want anybody to take my boyfriend away.
Hey, nobody, my love, listen.
Better.
Day before yesterday, one fat woman. If you see her, she's like my room and parlor. Ha! She was telling me, please, I want to join you. I want you to carry me a drop to McDonald's. I say no, please, I don't want to carry you before you bust my tire. After those money I spent on tires. I love see money. Okay, help me and count this one. 500. That's 1,000. This one's safe. Okay. Still good. I'll buy fuel. How much do you count?
130.
130. I'll buy Fanta for you. This one. Fanta money. Wow. This is money now. I even have some in my pocket.
My love.
1,000. Very soon I'll become a millionaire.
Baby, I'm so happy for you. At least you now have money to settle your landlord. He won't be coming and shouting and embarrassing you anyhow. Again.
Never. Oh. That man will not come again. I'll pay him one time.
Please try and pay, okay?
But the truth is that I must say a very big thank you to you. You know, I always call you my African queen and you don't even know how that thing came out. You're my source of happiness. So. Do you know, if not for the money you gave to me to repair my keke, how will I make all this money? Don't tell me, where will I start from? Eh? Hey!
Baby, stop.
Love you.
Listen, I told you everything will be fine. Yes. I will do anything for you.
And I will do anything for you too.
Just for your happiness. You know your happiness is very... Stop! That's what you're doing.
That woman came to my keke and said, if my girlfriend sees you,
I'm so happy for you.
I'm so happy for you too.
Emma?
Okay, Kenneth.
Where are you going to?
To my shop.
I'm going to your office. I want you to wash my car.
Then...
Come in.
Okay. Thank God I met
Good, I saw you now.
Oh, thank God.
How are you?
My brother, we are managing,
I am just coming for you to make it clean as usual. Please use this.
Yeah, thank you very much. I know used to all these modern facilities. Thank God I saw you too. I actually wanted to trek to my shop.
So, how is work?
To God be the glory. Let me tell you, Oga Kenneth, each time I remember that people like you will be coming to my shop, it gladdens my heart, honestly.
Sorry about that. Hello? Yes. What? Are you mad? How can you say that 500,000 naira is missing after accounting? Look. You have to find a way to bring back that money, else I will sack you. Did you hear me? Rubbish.
Okay, Kenneth. I hope all is well.
Can you imagine? My accountant telling me that after making accounts, that a whole 500,000 naira is missing.
Jesus Christ. Hey, you have to take it easy.
So, how is your sister? Is she at home or she has gone to school?
School, okay. She's done with school. My sister served, she did her youth service 3 years ago. Of course, but you know how Nigeria is now. Getting a good paying job is a problem. You don't have the contacts, you don't have the connection. But she's still there. We're looking up on God.
Wonderful. So she's a graduate?
Of course. She studied accountancy at Naija University and she made first class.
Wow, that's good. Okay, after everything, I will give you my card.
Okay.
You will tell her to come to my office with that address. Huh?
Okay, that will be fine.
Yeah, maybe she might be lucky.
I will, please, if you do that for me. Okay. I can't forget you.
I hope it's this point, eh?
Yes, right on.
Okay. That's good.
Mr. Chuma, since you graduated and finished your service, I've been trying to see whether I can secure a shop, but it's been hard. you sound like I'm beginning to feel that I am not doing what I should do.
Brother, who said that you're not trying? Of course you're trying. Even me. I'm trying to secure a job for myself, even if it's a part-time job. At least I'll be managing now. But the country is too hard.
I think that God wants to remember. See, there is this one customer of mine. Big boy, his name is Kenneth. I told him about my predicament concerning you. And he said that I should give you his card so that you can come to his office tomorrow with all your credentials and let us see maybe something will come out.
Are you serious? Hey, but thank you.
No, don't thank me yet. It's not yet too good. I don't know. But I want to believe that something good will come out.
Of course. Claim this one with faith, brother. It will work.
Amen.
Hey.
Amen. See, first thing in the morning, just take your bed, then you go there with your credentials.
Hey.
Please, listen. Though I know you normally go outside, but you know what?
The address. Okay, I've seen the address.
Everything is there. You understand that? So you just go there, huh?
Thank you, brother.
I'm happy with that. Okay, Mom. When I be washing now, let me see your customer.
Okay.
All right.
Greeting for me.
I will.
Ah. God, please, oh, please help me. I don't want to miss this one. Hey.
Problem now. After every morning I spend on you, same issue every day. Work, you not work. Stop, you not stop. Always giving me problem. Last time.
Baby!
Hey, my love! My love!
I'm so excited.
What happened?
Baby, guess what?
What is it?
Guess now, guess!
Come on, talk to me now. You know I'm not good at guessing.
Okay, I'll tell you.
Yes.
Standing before you is the new principal accounting officer with J's and B's Limited.
Wait. You, are you trying to tell me that you now have a job?
Yes!
Wow! I want you, I want you! Baby,
I'm so
come on!
excited!
Really?
Yes.
So tell me, how did it happen?
Okay, just calm down.
Tell me! Do you know what?
Wait,
Tell me, talk to me.
Wait. Okay, the thing is that a friend of my brother runs the headquarters in Zika Avenue. So he told my brother that they might have a spot for me. I should come with my credentials. I went there this morning and I was offered the job.
Wait, just like that?
Just like that.
Just like that?
And not only that, the man even gave me some money to buy things for myself in order to look smart while resuming work on Monday.
Good.
I'm so happy.
Thank you.
God is really a wonderful God. I'm telling you.
Oh my love, come here. I love you. I love
you too.
You know, now the money now he gives to you, we'll use it and prepare wonderful
soup.
Oha soup.
Food.
We can change to vegetable soup now.
You like food, John?
Food makes me happy. Now, I do. My love, you know what? This calls for celebration. Okay? I know I don't have money now, but I have some bottles of drinks inside.
Fanta.
I'll give you. Let's Fanta.
Okay, let's go.
You want to drink Coke? I'll give you Coke.
Come, let's go. My money, give it to me. My balance. I told you I am coming today. Hand it over to me right now. Bring the balance. Go inside. Pack everything. Wait till we go here. Wait till we go here.
How much is your balance?
You want to pay me?
How much is your balance?
My balance is 5 1,000 naira. Can you give it to me?
Just that?
Oh, you are calling it just that? Go inside and take everything. Hold on.
Take.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's supposed to be 5,000 naira.
You can use the 1,000 naira and buy drink for yourself. Okay?
Just thank your stars. Thank your stars. This little girl saved your day for you. If not, I would have shown you the stuff I am made of. Let's go. Imagine. So, if not for her, you cannot pay your house rent.
Thank you, sir.
You are automatically the she, and now she is the he.
I'm giving you the money. Go now.
Him,
she. Go now.
Let's go. Please, they look for free house. See you get house. These guys, they don't even know what they want.
It's okay.
Abba boys. Love, thank you very much.
No. Don't thank me yet. How far? I gave you this money last week. What happened?
I know you gave me the money. See, the truth is that I was going to pay the man his house rent. I was almost at his junction, and all of a sudden, boom! My keke tires blew off. Bam! I keep on wondering, what is the problem? And I used that 5,000 naira from there and repaired it. It's even giving me issue. But thank God you came to my rescue.
It's alright.
Thank you. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you.
No problem. This man can never stop our happiness.
Yes. I love you.
I love you too.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Let's go inside.
Okay. Hey, brother. Hey. Hey, brother.
Where did you go to? You should have been home earlier than now. What happened? And what is all this that you're carrying?
Brother, I went for shopping.
What? Hold on. Does it mean that you did not go to Kenneth's office as we agreed? And where did you get the money to buy all this? Talk to me!
Brother, relax.
I'm relaxed. Talk to me.
God is really a miracle worker. Brother, I got the job. Oh. Hey, brother, I got the job.
You got the job?
Yes! Not only that I got the job, on Monday, I will be resuming work as principal accounting officer. Yes, brother. Brother, Oga Kenneth is a very nice man.
I know.
He's a very nice man.
He's
a very nice man. He's the one that gave me money to buy all these things for myself. So that when coming to work on Monday, I will look very smart. I'm so happy.
I'm not for you too. So you bought all this things for yourself?
Yes.
I'm
got that last time. I got the job.
Okay, sir. Man, so you didn't know anything for your brother. Is it fair?
Brother, why will you say such thing? My one and only brother. I bought something for you, singlet and boxers.
I know. So take it inside,
Okay.
Let me go to my boss house. You know he's been with me for a long time. If he does not give me that money, he will not see me. But I believe he gives it to me.
Brother, collect it. Collect your money. Hey!
Hey, Jim, that reminds me. I saw your boyfriend, Emeka, a few days back as I was coming back from the market. He brought me back home, and guess what? What? He didn't even collect a dime from me.
Wow, that's nice. You see, Emeka is a very nice person.
Yeah.
But I don't know what is wrong with him. Or rather, should I say, I don't know what is wrong with me. I don't just know. That guy is really facing lots of problems these days. I don't know what's wrong.
And what is the meaning of that?
This... Vera, you're my best friend. I need your candid opinion on this. This is my top secret. But I believe I can confide in you.
Yeah, sure.
Ever since I got matured and started menstruating as a girl, every guy that comes my way gradually meets misfortune, and after some time, person will just die untimely.
Seriously, I don't think that it's healthy for us to be hiding this relationship from your brother. Baby, I'm a man. I have what it takes to look after you, to take care of you. I'm not here for hit and run. Okay?
Baby, I understand what you mean, but you see, my brother, he still sees me as a little girl. I don't know. He still thinks that I'm not old enough to have a boyfriend. I don't want his troubles, please.
Baby, I have good plans for you. Remember, your brother will not marry you. This relationship has come to a point that he should know about it. I have decided to make you my wife, to make you part of me for the rest of my life, to spend the rest of my life with you.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow.
That's the reason I have to come to see your people. We have to let them know because it's no longer a child's play.
Okay, no problem. If that will make you happy, then I will tell my brother. So let's fix the date that I will officially invite you to my house.
Here we go. What are you waiting for? This Sunday, I'm going to come to your house. What do you think?
Okay, but I'll first of all tell my brother about it.
No problem. My baby. My baby.
Thank you so much. I love you.
I love you too, baby. You have killed me. Don't worry, this Sunday we're going to make it perfect.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Okay, let me go.
Alright.
Take care of yourself.
I will see you.
Yeah.
Why are you crying like that? What do you mean by Nkai Bogo?
There was a fire incident in the market this morning.
the shop, warehouse, everything was pieces. I'm telling you.
Fire outbreak at the market.
I'm telling you.
Which market?
The market in the shop.
If there is a fire outbreak in the market, whose shop?
Our shop, warehouse, goods inside, everything was burned to pieces. Even I'm just coming from there now. Before I could, oh God, the fire service people said they couldn't even salvage anything. Hi.
See. I didn't know you as a comedian or someone that makes people to laugh.
No. I'm not joking. How will I be joking with this kind of a thing? I'm telling you the truth. Everything has bought.
What are you saying?
I'm serious. Everything has bought.
Which market?
Main market. I will shop now.
You're not feeling ill.
Why would I be talking with something like that now? Why would I be talking with something?
My own shop.
I'm telling you.
You mean my own shop got burnt?
I'm telling you, everything has finished. Wait, calm down. Bam. Just calm down. You see? Calm down. Just calm down.
My market. My shop.
Calm down.
My shop, my goods, my warehouse, all gone in a twinkle of an eye.
Marvin, put yourself together. It's not the end of the world. Just put yourself together. Thank God you are even alive. When there is life, there is hope.
Which hope? Which hope? What kind of hope is that? Am I going to start afresh again? It is better I die. It is better I die than to live in this nonsense world and start begging. Hey, God.
But Marvin, you know I warned you. I warned you. Doing business without insurance can be very risky. We have found the kind of situation I'm in now.
Am I the only man that doesn't have business insurance? Am I the only man? God, where are you? Where are you?
It's okay. Calm down. Hey. Chere, just calm down. I understand.
Baby, what's wrong with you? Baby, what's wrong? I've been calling your line, but you weren't picking my calls. What's happening?
Chidimma, I am finished. I am finished.
Finished how? I don't understand.
As you see me now, my second name is Finish. My goods, my shop, my warehouse. Fire.
Please, I don't understand. What are you talking about? You mean fire burnt down your warehouse?
It's a burnt. In our ground. Burnt means that they still remain on the ground. Erased. Cleared. Clean up.
Hey!
How?
As you see me now, I'm going to start afresh from the bottom.
Hey, baby, please, you just have to calm down, okay? Just calm down. Everything will be all right. Please.
Do you know anyone that has keke or kada? Hey,
Baby, it hasn't gotten to that extent.
What am I living for?
Baby, calm down. Everything will be fine. Hey, Jesus. Hey. My lord, what is your wish from Marvin, the lover boy?
Death he shall see. Death he shall see. Death he shall see.
Yes, my lord.
Why did you do this to yourself, Marvin? Oh, Marvin, why did you do this to yourself now, Marvin? Hey, Marvin, why did you do this to yourself, Marvin now, Marvin? Hey, Marvin, why did you do this to yourself now? Marvin, wake up now. Mommy, wake up!
To me, Vera, you're the only one I told about my secret. No, Vera, you cannot do this to me. Emeka, my love, how on earth did you find out about my secret? How? Vera is the only person I've ever told about my spiritual problem. Does it mean she's the one that told you about it? God, I'm finished. No. Vera can't do this to me. She's my best friend. She can't. What should I do now? Perhaps I should go back and ask Emeka where he got the information from.
Chima. Ma. What's the problem? Anyway, it's okay. You know why I came here? I came to ask you whether you have given a second thought to your life.